This video showcases the remarkable transformation of Cedar Sports' outdoor store in Utah with the installation of a simple, inexpensive track lighting system. We're going to take you step by step through the process from start to finish and show you the results. Located in Cedar City, Utah, Cedar Sports is a convenient stop for travelers heading from Las Vegas to some of the most breathtaking skiing and hiking destinations in the state. Whether visiting in summer or winter, Cedar Sports is a must-visit, boasting a staff known for their expertise and warm hospitality. Stop by to ensure that you have the best gear and advice for your outdoor adventure. The retail space in the sports store needed improved and effective lighting to properly showcase all the products and make the space more interesting and inviting. The store owner got in touch with us through our chat system, and our frontline chat agent suggested that they start by filling out the 7 Easy Steps form. This form goes right to our track lighting department, so we could get started right away. We have conveniently put the link to the form in the video description. The store owner spent about 5 minutes completing the form, even adding a photo, and sending it to us. We received the completed form with all the necessary information to kickstart the project. Moreover, they opt for our optional priority service. Just smart, as they are not lighting experts and they knew the project was challenging. Upon reviewing the provided photo, we observed that the space was inadequately lit at the time of initial construction, with limited lighting options provided by the builder. Although the space benefits from ample natural light during the daytime due to large front windows and clerestory windows above, it tends to get dark inside on cloudy days and during the winter months when the sun is at a low angle. Addressing the lighting challenge is well within our expertise, having successfully tackled similar projects in the past. Furthermore, the presence of a very steep sloped ceiling posed a difficulty to some, but we see it as an exciting opportunity and are confident in our ability to give the owner excellent results while meeting budget constraints and providing quick shipping. Because the customer opted for the priority service, the project was assigned to our senior product manager. If your project is simple and straightforward, it may not necessitate this level of service. However, in this instance, the customer chose to proceed in that direction, and we promptly addressed their needs. As a small family-run business, we can swiftly adapt and accommodate changes, ensuring that you won't encounter bureaucratic hurdles when you work with us. We have completed hundreds, if not thousands, of retail space projects, and we've learned that the inclusion of good lighting is key in retail merchandising. It often makes us wonder why this concept is often overlooked when a store is designed. Good lighting is essential, as it adds both brightness and shadow, making the space interesting and inviting, ultimately leading to increased sales. In this project, we found that the installation was easy to complete with our suspension and track lighting system. Our simple suspension system allows us to attach to any ceiling type at any height and any slope. In the attached photos, you will see the attachment points at the slope, easily installed as they are screwed into the ceiling. The special cables extend out of the fitting and down to the connector that screws into the track. Power was brought into the track with a black cable to give a finished look. This assembly process is straightforward and very cost-effective. Once installed, a full track lighting system can hang from above, providing lighting throughout the entire store. The fixtures can be directed where needed, moved and adjusted as the store design changes season to season. We have never encountered a ceiling type or height we could not work with. In fact, we have more options for supporting track lighting than anyone else in the world. With our extensive experience in this field, we continue to improve and innovate, ensuring that our clients receive the best lighting solutions. Cedar Sports provided us with the actual drawing of their retail space. We overlaid our recommendations and provided a shopping cart for them to review and act as a quotation. They reviewed it with their electrician using our installation resource page, asked a few questions, and placed the order. We shipped all the materials complete, so when they arrive and are checked in, the system can be installed seamlessly. The results, as you can see for yourself, are excellent. Working with the owner was a great experience. We appreciate the opportunity to help improve the lighting at Cedar Sports and making their store even better than before. All of us here at Total Lighting wish continued success to our new friends in Cedar, Utah. Please feel free to email us direct at support@totallightingsupply.com. It is by far the best way to communicate with us and get a quick response. Also, see the video description for links to our products, resource pages, and contact form. Thank you for watching. We hope to hear from you soon.